Hey everyone, welcome to another video about Latin and English. This one is about predicate nominatives. This is from the Vulgate course by William Dodds. This is section 94. And let's jump in. The first sentence is, we are one man's sons. The subject of this sentence is we. It's actually a pronoun, so we write subject pronoun, SP above it. It's in the nominative case. We what? We are. Verb. We don't know what kind of verb this is yet. We don't know if it's a linking verb, a state of being verb, or an action verb. So we're going to leave it alone for a minute and just put V above it and leave it at that. We are what? What are we? We are sons. That's a noun. Now if a noun follows a linking verb, then it is a predicate nominative. Let's find out if this is a linking verb. Can we replace are with an equal sign? We equal sons. Yep, that works. So let's get rid of the equal sign, and we now know that we have a linking verb. We equal sons. We are sons. When a noun follows a linking verb and renames the subject, which it does, sons points back to we here, then it is a predicate nominative and goes into the nominative case. This is another use for the nominative. Of course, the nominative is used as the subject of the sentence, and that's its predominant role, but the nominative can be used elsewhere in a sentence as well, and this is its other major function, as a predicate nominative. Whose sons are we? We are one man's sons, and this shows possession over sons. Whenever a phrase or a word shows possession in Latin, it goes into the genitive case. So we'll just write G-E-N there below it. Let's diagram this. Start with the main line, divide it into subject side and predicate side. We'll put we on the subject side, are on the predicate side. What are we? Goes a motorcycle to help us in our lesson. We are sons. I really appreciate that motorcycle driving by. We are sons. Okay? This predicate nominative will follow a slanted line that goes to the main line. We are sons. We are whose sons? We are man's sons, whoever this guy is. We are all one man's sons. And then, since one is describing man, we will put it on an adjective line underneath man. So we are one man's sons. Now the trick is to translate this into Latin. In Latin, this would be filii, that's sons, filii of one man, unius is of one in Latin, filius unius viri, filii unius viri, and then we are sumus. Filii unius viri sumus. Let's look at another sentence with a predicate nominative in it. He shall be called the Son of the Highest. Subject of the sentence, he. It's a subject pronoun. Goes in the nominative case. The verb shall be called. This is a verb phrase. Called is the main verb. Be is a helping verb. Shall is a helping verb. And we have to ask ourselves, is this verb active or passive? He shall be called. Is the subject doing the calling? No. Is someone else doing the calling? Yes. It's passive. If the subject is performing the action, it's active. If the subject is not performing the action, it's passive. What will he be called? He will be called the Son. Now this is also a predicate nominative because it follows a verb that honestly can be replaced with an equal sign. He is the Son of the Highest, right? He shall be called. It hasn't happened yet. It's in the future, and somebody else is going to do it, but nonetheless, it can still be replaced with an equal sign. He equals the Son of the Highest. He is the Son of the Highest. He shall be called the Son of the Highest. So this is a predicate nominative, and it goes in the nominative case. Anytime you see the word of, that's a preposition. Sets off a prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase is of the highest. Highest is the object of the preposition, and the whole prepositional phrase is in the genitive case in Latin. Latin doesn't have article adjectives, so we simply cross them out. Okay, let's diagram this. He, verb side, shall be called, slanted line to the main line for a predicate nominative. He shall be called son, the son, and then our prepositional phrase here, of highest. He shall be called the son of the highest. Now, into Latin. This is one of the things I love about Latin. We have how many words here in English? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words in English. Watch this. We switch this into Latin. Let's start with son of the highest. We have filius. Filius of the highest. This is superlative because it's the highest. Filius altissimi. Okay, we have of the highest. That's genitive right there. So we don't need of and we don't need the. Filius altissimi. And then he shall be called. In Latin is one phrase. Vocabitur. Vocabitur. Filius altissimi vocabitur. 3 words. We took 9 words in English, turned them into 3 in Latin. Okay. Well, if you enjoyed that, there's always more. Subscribe so you hear about it. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.